Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you the easiest way to create a smoky eye. I use burgundy shade as a transitioning shade, but you can use anything you want. You can go for brown, gray, purple, green, pink, orange, whatever you prefer. The most important part is the black and that smokiness that goes on the lid. Alright guys, so it's time to begin with the tutorial, and I'm using Dior Undercover foundation. This one is amazing. It covers everything, really. It's full coverage, but very light in texture, if that makes sense. So it's wearable, it lasts the whole day, and it covers, so it's a winner for me. Then I'm going to put some primer on, and this one is by the Balm. It's Put a Lid on It. That's the name of the primer. They're actually quite cool and catchy names for most of the products. Then I'm going to take the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to take this almost like a brick burgundy shade. So I'm going to use this as a transitioning shade into the crease and upper crease area, and don't worry about being neat with this because it's just going to peek through the rest of the shadows, which is really only going to be black that I'm going to be using because we're doing a smoky eye. So you can use any shade that you want. You want to go for something cooler, you can do that. You want to go for brown, any color you want really. So just work that really well into the crease and keep adding for the intensity that you prefer. Just remember that we will be blending again, so that's why I'm packing it on, because the more you blend, obviously the more it comes off. So now I'm blending around it, as you can see, with a clean blending brush. And then I'm going to take this gel liner that's super matte and black by Tarte, and I'm going to just apply that with a synthetic brush on the lid, and just gonna create that smoky eye with it. Just work faster with this because it does dry quite quick. It is waterproof, and we're still gonna put eyeshadow over it to mattify it further. So like I said, work fast. You can see I'm just packing that on. Just gonna keep adding a little at a time. Just go close to the lash line because we're not using eyeliner today, so you don't want that gap in between the lashes and the lid. So now I'm gonna create that kind of an archy look. So just apply a little at a time. Work in small sections so it doesn't dry out on you. Now I'm applying the matte black eyeshadow from the palette, and then I'm just gonna blend around just on that line. I want it nice and smooth to transition into the maroon. I'm gonna take a clean blending brush and go over it once again, and then I'm gonna take a pencil brush and a little bit more of the black just to like soften that line. You want it really nice and soft. Then I'm gonna go back with the maroon shade and the clean blending brush. I'm just gonna work that. Now I'm applying some, what is this, frosty cream shadow from the palette just to highlight the brow bone. And then I'm going to apply some black eyeliner pencil on the waterline and some more of that maroon shade on the lower lash line, and this is gonna warm up the eye more and just give it some more intensity, make it look extra dramatic. I'm gonna blend with a clean blending brush just to soften that. And then with a flat definer brush, I'm going to apply some of that matte black eyeshadow just to define the lower lash line. And you don't have to work on the lower lash line if you just want the top intense, but I do like that more intense look, so I went all out. Now I'm applying some concealer to just highlight that area underneath the eyes, and I'm using Tarte Shape Tape. I'm gonna blend it really well. I'm using this Queen blending brush by Makeup Addiction. It's really nice for blending concealer. So once it's nice and blended, I'm gonna take the 3D highlighter palette by Huda Beauty and this gorgeous highlighter shade. I'm going to place that on the tear duct area. This highlighter palette is super pigmented. I kind of love it. I'm using it on my lids. I'm using it as a highlighter. I just use it everywhere. And then I'm gonna take this brand new mascara from Benefit. It's bang, does bang on your lashes. I do have extensions, like most of you know, so I don't apply it on the top lashes. Now I'm powdering my face a little bit with MAC powder, and then I'm going to contour with this bronzer by Benefit. I'm using a little amount. Then I'm going to apply that pink highlighter shade on my cheeks because I want them really nice and glowing. And just work that on the apples of the cheeks nicely. Just make sure it's well blended. And I'm going to take the next highlighter shade, and this I'm going to put on the bridge of my nose and the tip of my nose, and of course the highest points of my cheekbones to be nice and shiny. Then on my lips I'm just using something simple, and this one is by Clarins, and then that's about it. That was it for today's tutorial, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this look and you liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to put the link right here somewhere so you guys can click on it and subscribe, and there'll be a link at the end of the video. Thank you so much for everyone that subscribed, and thank you for the love and support. It's always very much appreciated. If you have any comments, any requests on looks that you want to see next or videos, please leave them in the comment section below. And you can use any products that you have at home. You don't have to buy exactly the same products that I use. I always say this and I mean it. So that's about it, guys. Just wanted to let you all know that I have a second account on my Instagram that is for tomboy stuff. So if you're a girl that likes stuff that are fun and adventurous, then follow me there. I'm going to put the name right here so you guys can see what my account is, and then follow me and connect there. So there'll be a lot of biking, shooting guns, there'll be self-defense, tactical stuff. I'll be featuring other people. They do martial arts and fitness, cooking, really a lot of everything that's fun and cool. Video games. I play video games. I love video games, and that will be also part of the features that I'll be doing on that Instagram page. I'm thinking of doing a channel that's, will feature all this cool stuff, but I don't know. That will be in the future, I guess. So that's about it, guys. I love you all, and until I see you next, stay blessed and stay good. Love you guys. Bye.